Hello. This is the story of the failing human. 6 p.m. and stuck in bed. No sheets. She washed them 3 days ago. Anchored to the bed. Stuck watching random shows.
According to the holy books, your first mistake was educating her.
Not even enjoying them. Aimlessly scrolling through social media. Feeling insignificant. Hair's a mess. Pillows and sheets on the floor. Half-opened Amazon purchases bought 2 nights ago. And the cat just sitting in the middle of it all. Next to a failing human. Only gotten up once. To get a box of donuts and to eat it all. All the rooms are dark. And the garbage is overflowing. The cats got into the recycling. Nice. The things I want no one to see. Overflowing, dirty dishes. The outside has become a reflection of my insides. If I clean it up, it'll just get dirty again. I want it to get dirty. I want it to get messy. I want it to get dark. So it matches what I feel inside will match the outside. A weird kind of harmony. What if I just tie my hair back away from my face and just wash my face? Nothing fancy, just water. Oh, God. To feel a little better. And that's it. What if I take the sheets out? I know they're wrinkled. And just clear up the bed and put on one corner. That's it. Wait. I know what you're doing. It's not gonna work. I barely made the bed, and it made my soul tired, like I've carried all the world's problems. How can I do anything else? A failing human. It's okay. You don't have to do anything else. Just feed the cats.
Oh, God.
That's it. Just feed them. But while you're there, pick up a couple of cans. Maybe put the recycling away. And just start some dishes. Just a few.
Look. It's all clean now.
And maybe you'll finish them all. And you have to clean out the litter. It's animal abuse. Your issues are no fault of the cats. They at least deserve a clean litter, right? And that's it. That's all you have to do. I feel like I deserve a gold star for completing basic human tasks. An almost human and her cat. You should just make the bed. It's easy. And just pick up the laundry. Take the garbage out. The recycling too. And vacuum. And maybe you'll start feeling human again. A little better. Isn't it amazing how cleaning out the outside helps the inside? Right?
Pepper. Everything's clean. We're all clean now. Don't you feel much better?
A recovered human. Not cured. Not at all. But feeling a little better. And that's good enough.